Welcome to another session in Spreadsheets Microsoft Excel with Mr. TJ Zenda here, and today we want to look at autofill in Excel. Now I want you to understand that autofill in Excel is a time-saving feature that automatically populates adjacent cells with sequential data, repeated values or formulas. So this feature is a time-saving feature that was designed for you to save your time. Imagine if you were looking at about 1000 cells and you need to write one cell after the other, 1 2 3 4 all the way to 1000. It's really time consuming, but this feature will allow you to do things within a second. Okay, so in this case, let's assume that I only have this number. Okay, I want you to see the reaction of my cursor here, right? I take it to the bottom corner there, it becomes black cursor without arrows. Then I hold my left key, press it down, then drag to the last cell. Okay, can you see that? It's only detecting 1 1 1 1 throughout, but it is also giving us options here at the bottom here, autofill options. If I click on those autofill options, I can see that the first option which we have applied is copy cells. Okay, but if I want it to detect the sequence there, right, I want it to detect 1 2 3 going to the next number, I can then take fill series. Okay, can you see that? It then takes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 up to 12. And also if I want to do it another way, I can say 1 2 then 3. Okay, then from there I select all the first 3 cells, then at the bottom corner of the last cell, right, I long press my left key, drag it down to the last cell. You can actually see that the sequence is detected and it will apply from 1 up to 12. If I take the autofill options, right, you see that it's looking at the series, it's looking at the number sequence. Okay, but if I take copy cells there, you can actually see now it's detecting according to what we have placed earlier on. It's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, but we want it for now to fill the series from 1 up to 12. Let's go to the next. It's talking about the days in a week there. So if this one is automatically detected because it knows that it's dealing with the days of the week. So if I select it up to Sunday, this is what I'm going to get. Let's look at the options that we have. We are filling the series. Okay, what if I want to copy the cells? It will give me Monday all the way, right? And I have more options now. I can also choose to take only the weekdays. Okay, that is Monday up to Friday. I can do that. I can flash fill. These are the options that I have. I can do formatting. I can do, maybe I want to change the colors, I want them to alternate, I want to have these colors red in this cell and all those things. This is what you can do as well. Okay, let's fill series in this case. Now the same with month, the month of the year. It can also be detected. I can apply it to the last cell. Okay, this is what we have. Time saving feature there. If I look at the options that I have, I can look at this, fill the month, copy cells. It will be January there, fill the month. So this is what I'm going to have. Okay, let's go to team A, team B. So obviously I want it to go to team A, then team B up to the last one, right? So if I drag down, let's see if it is going to detect. Can you see that? So this is what we are going to have, right? We are copying the cells, right? So you have to drag it to the last cell. Okay, right? If I insist that in this case I want to, perhaps I now have team A and followed by B1. Okay, so the Excel will sort according to the last character there. So it will sort according to B1. So if I drag down to the last cell, okay, B2, B3, B4 up to B12, right? So I have also the options. I can take those options. Now let's go to date format. Now in the date, again, it can detect We are dealing with the date, the year 2026. If I go down, okay, I can go now. That was the first month, that is January. We now cross over to February. There I can also take some autofill options there. Okay, I can only do according to days. Okay, I can do according to series there. Again, these are the options, main options. Few according to years. Okay, the years are changing: 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030. These are the options that you have. Okay, let me go to the next. Now we have name and surname. Maybe I want the Excel to only pick the surname and then the initial. Okay, right. So if I apply this to the next cells, can you see that it's repeating itself, and that is, and that is, and that is. But I want also to apply to Caleb Seth and other learners we are following. So I go to my autofill options, then I take flash fill. Okay, right, let's go to the bottom one. Now this autofill feature is not only for the vertical data set, you can also apply it in a horizontal data set like this one. You can do the same until it becomes black, then you can apply it to the next cell. Okay, so this is what we have, and then you also have auto features at the bottom here. That's autofill options, autofill feature in Excel. It saves your time. You need to know it because you'll be working with large amounts of data. So this feature is very important. It will save your time. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. If you've got something that you want to add to this session, please let me know so that we can improve in our next session. Share this video, like it, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.